Liam. What are you doing?
Hello, Mia. I am reading my book.
You are always reading your book.
I like my book. It is a good book.
Yes, but I am bored. It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. The sun is out.
Let's do something new, something fun.
What do you want to do?
I have an idea. Let's go to the music store.
The music store? Why?
I want a new guitar. A beautiful new guitar.
A guitar? You want to play music?
Yes, I want to play music. It is fun.
Okay, let's go to the music store.
Yay! This will be great.
Here we are. This is the music store.
Wow, look at all the guitars.
There are many guitars, big guitars and small guitars.
I see a red guitar. I like red.
The red guitar is very nice.
I see a blue guitar. Blue is a nice color too.
Yes, the blue guitar is beautiful.
Oh, look, Liam. Look at that one.
Which one? There are so many.
The yellow guitar. It is so bright. It looks happy.
It is a very happy guitar, a happy yellow guitar.
I want to hold the yellow guitar.
Okay, be careful.
Wow, it feels nice. It is not too big.
It looks good. Yellow is a good color for you.
I think so too. I want this guitar.
Are you sure? Do you like the yellow guitar more than the red guitar?
Yes, the red guitar is nice, but the yellow guitar is special.
And you like it more than the blue guitar?
Yes, the blue guitar is beautiful, but the yellow guitar is perfect.
Okay, the yellow guitar is perfect for you.
I am so excited. I will buy the yellow guitar.
You will play happy music on your happy guitar.
Yes, I will play music for you and for our friends.
That sounds wonderful. I want to hear your music.
This is a very good day. I am not bored now.
No, you are not bored. You have a new guitar.
A new yellow guitar. Let's go home so I can play it.
A very good idea. Let's go home.